Hey everybody, here we are for our family activity video. So this week in your packages, you got this awesome little family stargazing. So on the back, there was some do's and don'ts. Some of the big ones, go out in the right conditions, right? So when it's not too much moonlight, the sky is not cloudy, obviously. And, you know, good luck to you to try to find a mosquito-free evening. Not gonna happen. All right, so, and the biggest tip is always go in a group. Don't go by yourself because you could get lost because it's dark, right? All right, so we're gonna tell you some of the most recognizable constellations in the sky that are super easy to find. So the first one is the Big Dipper. Here it is. It totally looks like a cup, right? It's got an arm and a cup. So the Big Dipper is actually not a constellation. It is part of a larger constellation called Ursa Major. It is found in the northern part of the sky, and it kind of moves a little bit, you know, obviously, because the Earth moves. So the handle is part of the neck of the Great Bear, which is the other name for the Big Dipper or Ursa Major. Ben, you're not the Great Bear. Come on, out you go. Okay, sorry, you guys. Okay, so the neck is the Great Bear, and then the cup is the chest part, right? So it is super easy to find, and it is the first one that you want to find when you are out stargazing, okay?
And the next one that's easy to find is the Little Dipper. It looks very much like the Big Dipper, except it's just a littler version. So once you've got the Big Dipper, you can find once you've got the Big Dipper, it's easy to find the Little Dipper because you use the handle of the Big Dipper. You go north of that and find the North Star, and then that is the end of the handle of the Little Dipper. And that is also called the Ursa Minor. And just like the Big Dipper, it's called Little Bear. Ben, come on, Ben. Out of the way, Ben. He's really liking the stars. So yeah, all you have to do is look north to find the star.
All right, the next one that is also pretty easy to find is Orion, also known as the Hunter. So he's got like a bow and arrow, that is not at all how you hold a bow and arrow. Anyway, so it is super easy. So you want to first of all find the 3 bright stars that are in a line. That is known as Orion's belt. There are lots of other bright stars that make up his arm, the bow, his upper body. There's even one that is smack dab in his armpit. Wouldn't you like to be the star in the armpit? All right, yeah, so that one's really easy. Orion the Hunter.
The next one is called Taurus, and it's also called the Bull, the horns. If you've located Orion, you look directly above Orion. Ben, come on, Ben. Okay. So you look directly above Orion and you will find the big reddish star, and that is the fork in the bull's horns. And then you'll find 3 more bright stars that make up the bull.
Okay, so now we can look for Gemini or the twins. So again, using Orion, so he's got his arm out, right? So you follow his arm, and above and to the side, you will find the twins. It's Ben, it is not about you today. I know you're sad that you're not the Great Bear in the sky. Come on. Okay, thank you. All right, so the twins. There are 2 very bright stars that are their heads. They also have other stars that are their arms, their legs, and their bodies. The left twin, his one leg is a little bit at an angle, and astrologers think that maybe he's up there doing a little jig. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
the last thing that is always very easy to find is the moon. It is not made of cheese. Ben likes cheese, but it's not made of cheese, Ben. It isn't. The moon phases means that it changes shape when we see it. Like it'll be a full circle, or it could be a half circle, or then there's the crescent moon that's just the little tiny sliver. So yeah, that's all we have for ones that are really easy to find. Maybe you can go with your parent or friends and find some more to find. It's always awesome looking at the stars. Chris, as you can see, was not part of our video today because he was rather upset. There are no dinosaur constellations, so he didn't want to partake today. So, sorry, hopefully you'll see him soon.
Okay, so that's all we have for you guys this week. We hope you enjoyed it. Ben is super excited to be actually on camera. He's not being all sneaky now, so thank you for not being sneaky. Yes, okay. All right, so we hope everybody has a good, long weekend. We will see you Tuesday for package pickup because I think Ben and I are going to go camping. Should we go camping? Yeah? Should we? What do you think Miss Katie's doing? I don't know. Maybe she has marshmallows. Okay, let's go find out. Okay, have a good weekend, everybody. We'll see you next week.